What is going on? So, you guys know I picked up my car the other day, as you can see in the previous video, but these wheels are getting on my nerves. So, I could not wait any longer. So, I pulled up at my buddy's house, and we finna take the factory wheels off, and we're gonna put the other wheels on. So, we're gonna set up a tripod and see what she looks like after. Let's get it. Oh. There's the wheels right there. So listen, before I put the other wheels on, I'm gonna show y'all the size of the wheel, like the actual factory size, and I'm gonna show you what I'm putting on here. So this is the factory size of tires, and then I'm gonna show you what we got. And then we're going from this to this. This to this. So this right here. So we're going from this to this. So right here we got some Hancocks. These are 205 50-15s. These are some dope wheels I found off the line. They're 15 by 8. But yeah, look at the difference. So hopefully we're not gonna be scraping too much. I know I gotta do some adjustments, but we do have the coilovers on there, so we can adjust the ride height. But also, so these are the wheels I was talking to you about earlier that we have to. So these are the wheels I was talking to you about earlier that typically had the gold rivets right here. But now we're going to replace the gold rivets with white ones and just paint the aluminum white and just go with the all white look, just give it a theme. So let's get into it. All right, here we go. So it is time to get these ugly wheels off the car. We got some wheels. I bought these wheels, what is it, like a year ago, almost 2 years ago. We had a completely different color scheme that I was going with, which was like a matte purple, satin purple almost. And so the wheels that I got, there we go, were to go with that color scheme. But I saw this blue, and well, we have to have the blue instead. So now I am going to eventually paint these wheels and get ready to put them on here, but I already have those wheels on here, and we keep looking at these factory straps. They're ugly. What's on here?
Wish we had another jack.
And I do if you look at that. The jack stand to the right.
It'll work.
Yeah, I know it works.
Same difference.
That's because your boy is Coach. Oh shit, that's why they don't drill. It's up faster.
I need to get a battery for the other drill.
I'm hoping that it don't scrape too much. That's what I'm hoping. Cause then we gotta take it back off and get the fender rollers.
Yeah.
Don't get there. Yeah, we gotta do something with the kit right there. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. We got some extra paint. there she goes. We might work out crazy.
Splash, right?
What?
You got about 3 more laps.
Yeah, that was.
The exhaust was good, though.
Huh?
The exhaust is good. Might want to get this shit sealed. That's why it's so noisy right here. Yeah. That's exactly why. Who put this shit on here?
What?
Who put this shit on here?
Come on.
Who put your exhaust on?
Matt.
That shit's not on. Got one bolt missing and a nut off the other bolt gone. And the flange was coming off. The little filter. Sir, it's your lucky day.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got so much work over here done. Have new coilovers, got the Skunk 2 adjustable camera kits. I ain't get what they did. I have Skunk 2 adjustable camera kits. If I watch some of the goddamn gas in the car, you gotta figure that out ASAP.
Bro, this bitch is low.
With the car.
Hell yeah. Not be able to do this without the jack.
Oh. Let's go. Let's go! Believe it or not, I know it looks kind of dusty, but all this is actually brand new. Vertical.
Whatever you want to use it for, sir.
Alright, so like I said, actually all this stuff is actually brand new, from the coilovers, the Skunk 2 upper control arm, tie rod as well, everything, CVIs, everything up here is completely brand new. It's just been sitting out in the field waiting for the car to get painted. But it is not in the field, but it's sitting outside waiting for the car to get painted. I'll show you in the back, we also have some new control arms back there as well. So let's see what the wheels look like. It's really the first time we ever put the grill on here, huh?
Yep.
Cause what was the car when we were?
I really want to say it was in South Carolina. No, I think you got them right before you sent it to South Carolina.
Yeah, I did get it. Yeah.
So we took pictures with them on there. Or not on there, but like up next to it. Yeah, that's why your exhaust so well. It was hanging by a thread.
Probably why they sent that from the gas.
I don't know about that.
Oh, it's like the sauce is in the car.
That I mean, yeah, yeah.
But we got no pad neither. No panels here.
Yo, are you adding the acoustic foam to the carpet?
What, from the website?
Yeah.
No. For what? We could have put sound.
Extra.
No. I just want to waste money.
Yes, sir.
Alright, where is? Hey, you look good, dog. All right, Ray. Just record the first pull.